In an equilateral triangle, prove that 3 times the square of one side is equal to 4 times the square of its square of one of its altitude. So ABC here is an equilateral triangle wherein AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. I have taken all of these sides equal what A, the length A, right? And we know that the perpendicular AD will bisect BC, right? Because it is an equilateral triangle, right? So therefore ABD will be equal to DC will be equal to A by 2. So I have marked it here. Now we have to prove that is 3 times AB square is equal to 4 times AD square according to the question. So we'll take the triangle ADC, and in ADC we know that AD square is equal to DC square plus AC square. So I will write it here. Fine. I can write here that is AD square is equal to DC, right? And that is, okay, give me 1 second here, let me just think. Okay, what we can do is we will keep this AD and write the other one in terms of A, and then we can substitute for A in it later on. So let's do it here. So we can write AD square is equal to DC is nothing but A upon 2. So I will write A upon 2. Okay, I made a mistake here. That is it was plus. DC is A by 2 the whole square is equal to AC is nothing but A square. So I can write further that is AD square is equal to A square minus A by 2 square. So I'll get here AD square is equal to A square minus A square by 4. Further I can write AD square is equal to 4A square minus A square by 4. So finally I can write AD square is equal to 3A square by 4. I can write further 4AD square is equal to 3A square. So substituting the value here, so we can write 4AD square is equal to 3 times A was nothing but AC. So I can write AC square. So this is proved. In fact, I was supposed to prove 4 times AD square is equal to 3 times AB square. So either I write AB or AC, not a problem here, because A is equal to either AB or AC. So I can write here AC, not a problem. So I can write AC AB square, not a problem with this. Here in case we could have taken not ADB but ADC, but we could have taken ADB. So if I take it, let me just make it simple here, because we have to take AB. So I can take the triangle here and it will be AB in this case. We have to be very careful in the beginning itself when we start solving it. So after substituting all of those, we got 4AD square is equal to 3AB square, and this is how we have proved it. Okay, hence proved.